Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on a less than 500 rating, which is Tom and Jerry chase. Okay, so in a classic chase, Tom is running after Jerry as Jerry has eaten Tom's favorite food. So there is given a story that Tom is running after the Jerry and Jerry has been eaten Tom's favorite food. So Jerry was running as a x speed per second while the Tom is chasing y speed y meter per second. Determine whether Tom is able to catch the Jerry or not. So this is the easy question, I guess. There is given a speed of the first speed is Jerry and the second speed is Tom. You just have to check whether Tom is able to catch the Jerry or not. So 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 here is given a Jerry speed is 2 and Tom speed is 3. So Tom will able to chase the Jerry because their speed is greater, and so you just have to check it whether he would be able to chase the Jerry or not. So let's understand with an example. So let's there is T is number of test cases given, which is 2 3 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 1 1 3 5 1 1 3 5. So this is the speed of Jerry and this is the speed of Tom. Okay, so here is given, you just have to check whether the Tom speed is greater than of Jerry or not. If it is greater, then it will be yes. Okay, and if Jerry's speed is greater than Tom, then it will be no. Okay, you just have to check it. You just have to check that Tom is greater, yes, so you just have to print yes. And if Jerry's speed is greater than, then you just have to print no. In the same way, the both are equal, so you just have to print no. Okay, because one is not greater than one, so you just have to print no. In the same way, uh, 5 is greater, so yes, Tom will able to chase the Jerry. Okay, so I guess you understand the pseudo code or the explanation that I have given. So you just have to create int t, which is the number of test cases, and then cn t. Okay, and then you just have to do while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x and y. Okay, cn x and then cn y. X is the speed of Tom and y is the speed of Jerry. Sorry, this is the first speed is of Jerry and the second speed of Tom. Okay, and then you just have to check if y is greater than x. If it is greater than x, you just have to print yes, else you have to print no. Okay, so I hope you understand the code. So let's do this. First you have to take int t and then cnt, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, you just have to check int x, int Tom, int Jerry. Okay, and then you just have to do cnt, cnj, and then you just have to check if Tom's speed is greater than equals to Jerry or not. If it is greater, then you just have to print yes, and then else you just have to do cout no. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, first I have to take the input J and then T. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.